here's what we're doing today. We're gonna try out this sander. This is a HYCHIKA sander. It is on Amazon for less than $30. I have to say, when I got it, I was pretty impressed. The box was heavy. Sometimes you get them and they're kind of light duty and you don't want to drop it. This is a mouse detail sander. One thing I would like is sometimes I want just the round base or just a square base, and this one, it's not configurable. So it's iron shaped, but it's a sander. It has a dust collection. Along with this sander, of course, you get the dust collection bag. Snaps in. You also get 4 pieces of 80 grit, 4 pieces of 120 grit, 4 pieces of 240 grit. We're going to use them all, and I'm going to do this table right here. This is a leaf to a dining room table that we don't use anymore, and it's in the basement, and I'd like to refinish the top. It's all marked up, it's got dings in it. I'd like to refinish it and sell it, see what happens. First thoughts, I kind of like this sander. It's the right shape, it feels good in the hand. It does a good job, it's going the right speed. Like, I mean, the sander's got to sand, that's number one. It's picking up the dust. There's not a lot of dust flying anywhere, and it, like I said, it feels good. I don't feel like I have to push. It has some weight to it. For $26 or $27, it's not a bad sander. We'll find out in a year or so, but I kind of like it. All right, let's do some more sanding. Pretty good job. It's a sander. I did change to 120 grit, did some sanding, and it's smooth. It's what a sander does. Didn't seem to take too long. Brand new sandpaper. I heard somebody say one time, use sandpaper like someone else is paying for it. Don't try to use it too long. 80 grit doesn't become 120 grit. 120 grit doesn't become 240 grit. It works. It was made with a purpose, and it fulfills that purpose. And that reminds me of Proverbs 19:21. Many are the plans in a person's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails. And sometimes we struggle with having a purpose. What is my purpose? Why am I here? And one thing I love about Proverbs, it can really give you direction, but we all struggle with purpose. And God's purpose is the purpose. And He created you and me and everyone to have a purpose. And if we're fulfilling that purpose, we are perfect in the way that we were created. Sander works great. It's on Amazon. Link will be below in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Try some 240. You know why the Amishmen only put 239 beans in their soup? Because one more would be too farty. Sorry.